Hello, today we will guide you through how to add people to your Facebook Business Manager. To begin, open Meta Business Suite in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct business account. This is the central place where you manage your business assets, permissions, and team access. So it's important to confirm you're working inside the right account before making any changes. Once you're on the main Meta Business Suite screen, look to the bottom left corner and click Settings. This will take you into the area where business level controls are managed. If you've never used this section before, don't worry. This is where you can manage users, pages, add accounts, and other connected business assets. After the Settings page opens, find People in the left-hand navigation menu and click it. The People section is specifically designed for managing who has access to your business manager. From here you can review current users, update permissions, or add someone new to your workspace. Next, move to the top right of the screen and click Invite People. This starts the invitation process and opens the panel where you can add a new user. If you're inviting a team member, contractor, or partner, this is the place to begin. Now enter the person's email address in the field provided. Be sure to type the email carefully so the invitation is sent to the correct person. In general, it's best to use the email address that person will use for their Meta or Facebook business access, since this can help avoid confusion later. Once the email has been entered, click Next. This moves you forward to the permission and setup stage of the invitation. Depending on your business setup, you may be asked to assign roles, choose access levels, or connect the person to specific assets like pages or ad accounts. Take a moment here to review everything carefully so the person receives the right level of access for their role. From there, simply follow the on-screen procedure to complete the invitation. Meta may guide you through selecting permissions, confirming asset access, and sending the final invite. Read each screen closely before continuing, especially if you're granting administrative access, since those permissions can allow broader control over your business assets. And that's it. Once the invitation is sent, the person will need to accept it to gain access. If needed, you can always return to the People section later to check the invitation status, resend it, or adjust permissions. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helped you add people to your Facebook Business Manager with confidence.